All right, again, when we do these monthly market updates, we are talking about what happened the month before. We gotta wait for stats to come out and then figure things out from there. So we're looking at multiple features. There's 4 things we're focusing on. It's interest rate, closed sales, pending sales, and then also homes on the market. Then we take a step from there and we figure out how that affects a buyer and seller in the real estate world. So first step we want to focus on, how did we do in May 2021? The first thing is we had over 1,400 homes close in the month of May. When you compare it to the month previous, we're up 9%. So from May 2021 compared to April 2021, we're up to over 9% increase. Now year to date, when you compare to the year before, we're up over 15% of total closed sales compared to 2020. So the market continues to appreciate. The next thing I want to focus on is pending sales, contracts written. We had 1847 homes that go under contract in the month of May. When you compare to April, we had about 1996 pending sales. So when you compare the 2 months, we're down 6%. But here's the key stat: when you compare the first 5 months of 2021 compared to 2020, we're up over 19% of pending sales written, contracts written. The last stat I'm going to focus on is active sales. So we're at 1,734 homes for sale on average in the month of May. That's down 20 compared to April of 2021. But a key stat right now you need to know as a buyer, we had over 3,000 homes for sale a year ago compared to this time. So it's important as a buyer that you really understand that we have less inventory. The main inventory we're lacking are new construction. Interest rates remain at historic lows. We're at 2.625 on a 30-year loan for those that qualify, and we're at 2% on purchases for 15 years. So if you're not refinanced, you need to really refinance. If you're at 3.5 or above, you really need to consider refinancing at this time. If you need a lender, let me know. So in summary, if you're a seller, contracts written / pending sales are going down compared to the months previous. So as a seller, you just need to be mindful that you need to price your home correctly in light of this market. And then the intensity level's gone down a little bit. So rather than experiencing 6 to 8 offers on a certain property, you might be experiencing 2 to 3 offers on some homes. The intensity level is going down. The craziness of the amount of showings right now has gone down a little bit, but that means activity and intensity. That doesn't mean pricing. Pricing continues to go up. So just you need to be aware as a seller. As a home buyer, you have less options, so you really need to be laser focused on what your needs and wants are. The first step to really figure that out is set up a home buyer consultation with me. We'll go through your needs and wants, and I'll be able to answer any questions you have. And then as a seller, it's really important you understand what your market value is in today's market. I'm seeing homes appreciate significantly compared to 2 months prior. So just let me know if you want a free market analysis. It's really important for you to know. It's a lot more accurate than its estimates, a lot more accurate than what you'll see online. So if you want a real life market valuation, let me know. As a team, we show well over 1,000 properties a year, so we're working with buyers and sellers. So this is your market update. Hope you guys are doing well. We have some really exciting things coming up this summer and fall for events. We're looking forward to seeing you all.